Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information related to personal finance. In the previous videos, we understood how we can find out the quality companies which are listed in the stock markets just by analyzing our daily routine and by analyzing the products and services that we use on a daily basis. Let's keep the momentum rolling and explore some more companies which are listed in the Indian stock markets by analyzing our daily routine. In one of our previous videos, we discussed about the companies which are listed in the stock markets, and those companies are in the business of beverages such as tea, coffee and soft drinks. Now, when we talk about tea, coffee and soft drinks, we also consider some snacks along with it. Because whenever we consume tea or coffee or any of soft drink, we like to eat something with these beverages. Further, in one of our previous videos, we also discussed about the consumer goods, the goods which are consumed by us usually. The food that we eat daily, be it a regular meal or some sort of fast food, is also considered under the category of consumer goods. Here are the couple of companies which are listed in the Indian stock markets, and these companies are involved in the business of fast foods. Tasty Bites offers a variety of products including ready-to-eat Indian and Asian meals, which also includes sauces and pastes, savory fillings, frozen products, sauces, Indian gravies and pastes, and a variety of other such options. Diamond Chips and Snacks you see in the confectionery store is a brand of Pratap Snacks, and Pratap Snacks is a listed company in Indian stock markets. Till the time we have our taste buds and flair of trying something new as a snack or food, there will be demand for the products offered by these companies. And guess what? Our taste buds and hunger will be alive till the time we are. Hence, investing in these companies will fetch a great return, as the demand for the products of these companies will always be there. Now, the question arises in which company we should invest by purchasing the stocks. Because it can happen that one company is performing positively and another company might perform negatively due to numerous reasons. Therefore, in order to eliminate that confusion, we as an investor can buy the entire index or the index funds. Similarly, as we bought the basket of the fruits to get all type of nutritions, index fund is like a basket of all the good stocks which is traded on the stock exchange, similar to the individual stocks. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned something today. If yes, then